Monkey is a term for all members of a primate that are not proximic pre-ape, such as lemurs and tarsiers, or apes, whether living in the Old World or the New World. Until now, there are 264 types of monkeys that live in the world. Unlike apes, monkeys usually have tails and are smaller in size. Monkeys are known to learn and use tools to help them find food. Their grouping of monkeys is paraphyletic, because the Old World monkeys, circa Pithecoidea, are actually more closely related genetically to the apes, Hominidae, than the New World monkeys, Platyrini. The largest monkey is the mandrill. Some monkeys in everyday language are also often referred to as apes. Some monkeys have been used by humans as pets or animals to help with daily work. Long-tailed monkeys, Macaque fascicularis, are the animals most commonly interact with humans and are often kept as pets, circus animals, or laboratory experiments. He was also the first primate to ever go into space. Beruks are kept in several places in Sumatra and Malaya to be trained as coconut pickers. Monkeys in the forest of Mount Bunder move the trees during the day, jumping from branch to branch and staying still when mountain climbers pass by. Maybe their monkeys coexist with root tigers and snakes. In West Sumatra, Lake Manenjai to be exact, the inn is next to the forest and monkeys can easily climb the trees and enter the hotel terrace near the swimming pool. On the way up and down towards Lake Manenjai, monkeys are free to roam and like waiting for food thrown by travelers.